Welcome to Ethan Goggy TV. My name is Ethan Goggy. Today we're going to do addition and homeworks. So let me show you how to do plus. Now I cannot say good because that's why I need to do this. 4? How many is much to 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the other one, because they're both 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. Oh wait. Is it right? Yes? Great. How many is 6? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. That's it. How many is together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means the answer is 11 because our floor is the 11th floor. So that is correct. 1, 1 is 11. How many is this? So this is set. Or okay, let's do it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. How many together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means the answer is this. Is 1 and 0. 1 and 0. Now let's do the other one. So here is the same one. So 4 to 4. So now 5 to 5. I'm 5 years old actually. But I can ride my bike without training wheels. Let's do this. So, let's get started. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10 again. So here's 10. Now up here 10. Is good. 10 for 3. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the answer is 7. Let's see. 7. I need to see which way it is. There we go. That's correct. I'm almost done. Now I'm going to say like and subscribe and join this video. Are you a fan of me? Yes, you are. So watch Raw Fan, my guy. He got 100 views. So because I like him, so go on YouTube and find out who his name. His name is Raw Fan. Bye. So I'm not done yet actually. How many weeks? Okay, this one takes so long. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wheat. Oh, one more. How much together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. It is 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Oliver, are you the part of me? Then watch more often, and then you're the part of me. Make sure to subscribe to Oliver, and make sure to learn much videos of me, and learn French too, and very good. Oliver, guys, see you to the next video. Oliver.